Hi, welcome to 813 Walnut Street here in beautiful Windsor, Colorado. Let's go take a look. This is a 1908 home, and the current owners did things like refinish the old wood floors. This was a chore, a labor of love. They kind of showed me the process of it. It was scraping. I think there was carpet in here that had to come out, some linoleum, all those different things. Lots of scraping, lots of sanding, lots of refinishing. So that's been redone. This house also, as you walk through, you'll see the cuteness. Like the door is awesomely cute. There's a lot of cute old features still in here. What these guys did was modernize it. They planned on living here a really long time, and so they did things like brought in new water supply lines. So the old galvanized line isn't there anymore, and there's a new PEX line installed. They put a brand new furnace. You can see this used to have a coal heater in the basement. It was radiant heat. So right down here now is a brand new furnace. Below us, a brand new central air conditioner sitting outside. They brought a gas line in so that they could modernize their kitchen. They put a nice gas stove in here. They've got brand new appliances throughout. So the house has been modernized so that when you walk in here, it'll feel like a regular house, right? You can turn on the AC, and you can turn on the heat, and you can turn on your oven, and everything works like it's supposed to. But they kept a bunch of old stuff, like they kept that original floor. They kept this cute old little cutout in here. I think it might have been for a telephone. I have no idea what that was for originally. They did kept some other cute things, like we're gonna walk through the primary bedroom into a pleasantly updated primary bath. And so, nice new floors, nice new tile, and then we've got this super cool clawfoot tub still in here. That guy's old cast iron clawfoot tub. So anyway, lots of fun new things in this house, lots of nods to old, and the lot, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is giant behind us out here. So it goes all the way back to an alley. The zoning for this specific house allows you to build a garage back there, an accessory dwelling unit back there, lots of uses, and there's a well sitting in the yard. So if you wanted to garden, make the whole space flowers, you can do that. You want to put it back to turf, you can do that. You want to use that well for whatever you want to use it for, it's sitting there ready for you. So here we are, 813 Walnut, downtown Windsor, Colorado. If you want to come see it, let us know.